For example, it can be the dinner at the restaurant.
And today we want to show you 3 golden rules of etiquette that will perform your higher aristocratic manners.
So, the first secret is about napkin. It needs to be used, but not everyone knows how to use it. So, let me explain. If your napkin is rectangular, as in my case, you need to fold it. It's necessary to fold it not completely in half, but one part should be longer than another one. And I recommend you to place it with the opening side to yourself. Exactly, this method is convenient because when you put the napkin on your laps, and let's say you want to wipe your mouth, you can do the next. Wipe your lips gently with the outer side of napkin and just close it. And in this way, your napkin stays clean and your pants do too. If you want to wipe your hands, you can do such small movements around the edges of napkin. So the napkin looks presentable and your dress or pants are also saved.
When you already pass to desserts, there is the last test, cups. What's interesting, aristocrats can drink tea during the whole time of party, and no matter if it's time to breakfast, lunch or dessert. And now, I would like to show you the rules how to hold the cups. So, let's start. If it's a set or if it's a small cup, putting the finger into the cup handle is not recommended. You can do it if you are at home and you have big cup that you can keep. If you want to look culturally educated, just hold it like this. But if you find it hard to keep it that way, there is one little secret. Just pour an incomplete cup.
Every girl likes using the lipstick and doesn't go anywhere without it. In some events, we might choose very saturated color, such as red. And as expected, they can leave unpleasant lipstick marks on our cups. However, a girl who knows aristocratic manners will try to avoid any marks on our cups. So, how should we do this? First, you can just blot a paper napkin and remove your lipstick in the restaurant. But if you don't want to remove your lipstick because it complements your look, we have a very small secret for you. You can take a cup and have gently lick at it. After this, a protective film appears with the help of your saliva and will not stick to the surface of the cup. Thus, it will remain clean and will not cause discomfort to you or your friends who are at your table.
Scientists have proven that good manner is the key to success in concluding a profitable contract.
So we hope that today's our little secrets will help increase your knowledge about etiquette.
Thank you for your attention and we wish you good luck.